Hey everyone, Jessica here, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you a quick unboxing and review of a ring that I got from the company called Ring-Jeulia. Ring-Jeulia is an online jewelry company that sells premium artisan jewelry for an affordable price. And here's what the box looks like that the ring came in. The first thing inside of the box is their return and exchange policy. There's also a couple of coupon codes for you to use on your next purchase, and also a little bit of information about their rewards program. The next thing that I'm pulling out of the box is a booklet, and it has some of their different collections inside. They offer rings, necklaces, bracelets, bridal sets. They pretty much have something for everybody. Ring-Jeulia actually reached out to me and asked me if I would like to review a piece of jewelry. And they told me I could pick anything from their website, and as you can see they have some gorgeous stuff, so it was really hard to pick what I wanted. So I was really excited because I wanted to get another ring for my other hand. All of their pieces are handcrafted in 925 sterling silver. Something else that is included with your ring is a beautiful gift bag, so if you wanted to give this as a gift for somebody, you have this nice bag here. Inside of the bag is a greeting card so you can write a special note. And then also inside of this little black envelope, you have a really pretty pink jewelry cleaning cloth, which I thought was a nice touch. So I did end up choosing a ring, and now I'm going to show you what it looks like. It comes in this little black box here. I chose one of their more daintier rings. They have a whole section of stacking rings, and I chose this one here. It's kind of like a star sunburst. The stones in the ring are a simulated diamond, which is their signature Ring-Jeulia stone. It's really sparkly, and I just love how dainty it is. On the inside of the ring is the Ring-Jeulia logo and the 925 sterling silver stamp. And here's what it looks like on my hand. I have been wearing it for a few days now, and I absolutely love it. It's really comfortable. I love this ring so much that I'm actually wanting to buy the other two rings that complement this particular one. Here's what they look like all together. So overall, I love my new ring, and I love their packaging. Their shipping was also pretty fast. It only took about a week. If you're interested in this particular ring, I will have it linked in the description box along with the Ring-Jeulia website in case you want to look around and see if you see anything else on their website. They are having a sale right now, so definitely check them out if you're looking for some new jewelry pieces to add to your collection. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.